Hey guys, welcome back to another very interesting video of versatile knowledge. So another day, another unboxing on our channel, and this time we have a product with the help of which you can attach your DSLR cameras on this and vlog outdoors and even indoors as well. So this is the Joby Gorillapod 3K. I bought this product for around 5,000 rupees from Flipkart. I'll be leaving the links in the description. So this is the Joby Gorillapod 3K's box package, and this is the same tripod which you can bend any way you can and attach it to your pole or attach it to trees and vlog and take some amazing cinematic shots. As you can see, 3K means it supports weight up to 3 kilograms, and the name of the tripod is Gorillapod 3K kit, and the brand is Joby. As you can see, there are a few product descriptions that has been mentioned on the box as well. You can attach it to the tree, you can attach some mic on the DSLR and also vlog, and you can make sure you keep it on a flat surface as well. When we open the box package, the first thing that we get is the user manual and the warranty card. If you're using these kind of products for first time for your cinematography or your photography purposes or even your vlogging stuff, you can take a look at it as well. And this is some packaging material. And here we have the Joby Gorillapod 3K itself. There are a lot of gripping material that is present on all the three stands or all the three legs of the tripod, which helps in holding your hand on the tripod properly and making sure you get a better grip while holding your DSLR on this tripod. So you can bend this three legs of the tripod as much as you can or in any way you can. This is called the ball head of the tripod, which helps you to take some 360-degree pan shots, cinematic shots, or also it helps you to take the B-roll if you are showcasing products in your videos. The legs of the tripod supports the twisting and turning in any direction, which syncs with the requirements of the user for his photography and videography. And also the whole top portion of the tripod can be rotated and taken out, and if any problems are encountered with this top portion, you can buy the separate head mount for this Gorillapod. The head mount generally comes attached with the Gorillapod when you take it out of the box, but in case you misplace it or it falls down, you can put it back on the tripod or on the Gorillapod in the way that I am showing in the video. Before mounting the DSLR onto this Gorillapod, make sure the screws that are present on the ball head and also under the head mount are tightened properly to ensure a safe and secure vlogging process. Now we'll take a look at how you can place the DSLR onto this Gorillapod. First method is by just tightening the screw hole onto the screw of the Gorillapod. On the second method, what you can do is you can remove this clamp that is present on the Gorillapod, directly attach on the screw hole of the DSLR. And once you feel that that screw on the clamp is tight, you can take the DSLR. There is this switch or there is this button that you can push, and what you can do is just slide the Gorillapod on that clamp to make sure this Gorillapod is locked under the DSLR in a perfect position, which ensures your Gorillapod can be removed and opened in a very easy way. Once you have connected the Gorillapod onto the DSLR, this is how you can shoot the vlog style videos by looking at the screen of your DSLR. If your DSLR's LCD screen has that rotation feature, you can rotate it and make it face to your face. Then you can make sure your face is in focus if you're shooting for a longer duration. This Gorillapod also helps you to get some more stabilized footage as well. So it helps you to shoot some amazing 360-degree videos, stabilized footage, vlog style videos, and also it gives support for the heavy DSLRs if you're carrying one. So that was it for this video, guys. If you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and if you have still not subscribed to our channel, please hit the subscribe button, as we are your source for all the latest updates, tips, tricks, and a lot of things from the world of technology. Thank you for watching, guys.